How to turn off cross posting on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off cross posting on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as cross posting. And now here in this section, just select account center, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you can see the interface like this. Now here under automatically share option, if these three options are toggled on, then you simply have to toggle it off. And once you do that, you will be able to turn off cross posting on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.